Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana with the Paper Pineapple, and today I'm going to be working on week 34 of my Project Life album. I am very behind, guys, and I'm trying to catch up. It's a lot harder than you think, especially when you're trying to do your October memory album at the same time and do all the activities and all the things with the kids. It just adds up, and it's just so easy to fall behind. But anyway, I'm going to try to do this layout quickly. There's not a whole lot of embellishment. I'm trying to keep it nice and easy, and so I decided to take out this, it's a kit. It's a kit from We Are Memory Keepers called Game Day, and I decided to pull it out. I've had it for the longest time, and I thought it's perfect since this week I'm going to be documenting my daughter's cheers. Well, it's Friday Night Lights, so it's football, and my daughter is on the varsity cheer squad for her high school, and she's a freshman, so it's all new to her. Well, she's been in cheer for a very long time, but you know, at the high school level, things change. So we're very proud of her, and we're cheering her on. As you guys know, Veronica from Veronica Creates here on YouTube and on Instagram, she is my amiguita, and she comes with me to all the games, and I love that she comes along for the ride and for the adventures, and especially for the good tacos. I had to document that in there. We usually have our tacos from La Cabañas, and it's such a blast. We have a great time. We dance, and I'm singing and watching my girl cheer her heart out. The top picture there is a picture of my daughter and her bestie, Sophie, and a picture of us there and our tacos. And so this week I've also documented a picture of myself because I decided that I needed to work out, so I started working out 3 times a week, and so I just decided that I would go ahead and put that in the books. And it was just really simple. I took a couple of these cards, simple cards from that kit, and then I also took out these chipboard stickers from Studio Calico. I can't remember what month it was from. I'll go ahead and list it in the description there if you guys want to know. I don't know if they still sell them. Maybe, I'm not sure. And then these letters here are from, I believe they're from Coco Daisy. I'm still trying to use all my stash, guys. A useful tip when you don't have all the alphas, you make them into, cut them so that, you know, they work for you. So for example, I ran out of A's, so I used the G for the A for male, and I pulled out a couple stickers from the Dollar Tree, and these are cute. I thought that they were, they blended in well with this kit. I added a star. Also, I decided to document Veronica's ear piercing for her birthday. I decided to gift her her ears to get pierced because she wanted to wear earrings, and so I took her to this tattoo shop, and there she was pierced by this gal named Serena, and so I had to take a picture there. And then a friend of ours, Amy, who is Crafty Chaos here on YouTube, might want to go check her out as well. She joined us as well, and we met up and we had dinner, and we had a great time. And she opened up her gifts, and we laughed and chatted it up, and it was a grand time. So I had to definitely document that. These are the weekly cards here that I have linked in the description. They are free to you for you to download. I'm not sure. I have to check to see if I have up to week 40. So I will have to go and update those so that you can have access to the next couple of weeks here. I'm still behind, so I'm on 34. But I will have those out soon. Then I've decided that I'm going to go ahead and journal. I kind of journaled a little bit on the pictures. I use this app called Phonto. I'll go ahead and leave that in the description under the apps that I use, as well as PicFrame. I use those to make my 3x4s and 4x6 and add the white border around my picture, and it's easy. I believe it's free. I can't remember. When I downloaded it, it was free. I'm not sure if it's free now, but it is a very helpful app to use. This card here, it says every day is game day. Decided to write her schedule. Usually their game day is Friday, no practice on Mondays, and she has practice from 3 to 6 p.m. on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And then I decided to use this card here to journal about all the happenings of the week. So I do take time to journal there. And the last couple pictures that I have on my other side, on the right side, is a picture of my card club we go by the Pretty Pineapples. And they're my fun group of gals. We get together every month and we have a theme, and we make cards and then we swap them. So we all make 9 cards, and then by the end of the night you have 9 different cards. So it is pretty neat. I love my group of gals. They are my girl squad, and we have such a great time. This night we happened to have a Disney night, so we all wore our Disney ears and everybody wore their Disney attire, and we had all the Disney food snacks, and it was so fun. I definitely had to document that. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. It was super easy, quick. I hope you guys like the video. If you do like what you see, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys!